Unboxing time! INSTA360! Okay guys, welcome to the Style channel. Good day. So here we are. I'm going to unbox my new Insta360 ONE X2. So let's get started. Okay, good day guys. Welcome to the Style channel. I'm your host. So here we are. Going to unbox my new Insta360 ONE X2 Pocket 360 steady camera. Sorry, I did not got it into na. So anyway, let's get started. How should we open this one? Okay, so first we take off the plastic wrap. Oh, so satisfying naman. Then alright, then there's a free memory card. So here we are. Wow, so nice, huh? So anyway, I have to put it here pala. So wow, let's look at the bottom. Is this how you do it? I'm not sure because I don't know how to use a 360. So here it is. Wow. First things first, look at that. Wow, it's so small. So compared to my, opener, so it's nice. So, should I take off the or later na? So we'll just on it first and see what's up. Wow. Do you see that, guys? Look at that. Wow, amazing. So a video within a video. Okay. So I don't know how to use this. Standard 360. Let's see. Oh, hi guys, do you see me? Hello. So that's it, okay, I don't know how to okay, so it's back again. No SD card. Wow, look at that, guys. It's me looking at the camera, on my camera, on your camera. You see that? That's the DJI, what I'm using. And whoa, you see me? Hello. Okay, so the display is gone. And then anyway, we have no SD card first, so we have to turn this on. Oh, and then there's no battery na. I think there's no battery. Wow, this is amazing. Whoa. So anyway, guys, this is next is accessory bag. Anyway, enough of that. Got the accessory bag. So, being a blogger, sometimes you have to be up to date with the technology, because having an action cam, it's kind of hard to focus, especially when you're going uphill or downhill. So many of my subscribers are telling me that, you know, my lens angle is not good. So okay guys, wow, I bought this Insta360, so I would not mind, or the angle of the, okay, going back, so this is nice. So I will not as I say, I will not think about the angle na of my video. So this will solve all the problems. So I don't need to bring my trusty gimbal na, so it saves me a lot of weight. So I can use this, and maybe additional Osmo cam for my friends na lang to wear, and to have more footage. So okay, Insta360 stickers, guys. If you want, please comment down below. I'll just give that to you. And then this one, what's this one? Let's check it out. Oh, so this is the nice felt rug, so you can like that. Okay, so nice. So I bought also a lens guard, just in case that we have to protect our investment, even though it's so expensive. And then this lens cap, just in case we are using it, and then in the open we can use it also. So anyway, okay, oh shucks, there's a pala. Oh, anyway, this is just the man, it's kind of hard to unbox din to. You have to be careful not to tear the oh wow, so this one goes to this one. Fits like a glove. Okay, so there will be anyway, that's good. So next is this one. Okay, we'll just cut it first, and then start with the unboxing of the sports bundle. Okay, so I have charged it. Let's wait for it later. So lens guard, still stuck. Let's see how we do this lens guard. So this is harder than I thought. So later I think we have to YouTube how to put the lens cover or the lens guard. So this is the lens guard. I'm not sure what I'm looking at, but this is 2, and then this is just I think 1 or 2. This is for the LCD display, and then this is for the camera, both camera. So I hope it will not because this is already so tight. The camera is already super fit. So anyway, what's next? Okay, sorry guys if it's too messy. We're on the floor lang because all of the table the kids are using, so we'll just have to do with the floor unboxing. Okay, so we're going to unbox naman the sports bundle for the Insta360. So I think this is a old model or old version, but let's see. Oh, harness. So meron siyang helmet mount and pole mount and chest strap. An invisible selfie stick? I'm not sure. Wala naman siguro. So, ito yung niya, chest strap. Okay, so different than our previous DJI version. I think this is much more bigger or wider. But anyway, let's see. So this is I think this is the bike mount. Okay, so this is how it works, and then ito na. Okay, so put it there, and then so ito, I think these two goes hand in hand. And then okay, so they have their own ito. And then okay, to shoot it like that. So, and then thread it like that. So this will be the bike mount, but I'm not sure if this is capable because it's so small. How can it mount on the bike? So anyway, kasi what you call that, the handlebar is so thick maybe you have to take this off, but skin na to. Oh, no. This is talaga for this one, like this. So we'll have to make we'll try and mount it in our. Okay guys, so this is the Insta360 Selfie Invisible Stick. Wow, this is kinda heavy, but I think it's nice. Ooh, I wonder how this thing works. Not sure how to maybe this one. Oop. Oh, so how do you lock it? Okay, not sure how to lock it. Okay, I think it's locked. Oh, okay. You should turn it slightly so it will lock. Okay, so this is the 1 meter, I think, Invisi stick. So excited to use it. So I think I'm going to enjoy trying it out later with my kids. So, see you again, guys. See you on the weekend. And design for bullet time. Okay, wow, design for bullet time. So anyway, we'll try that later. Cannot be shared, it's still a secret, so you have to stay tuned, guys, to watch our okay, our next adventure. So thank you for watching, guys, with the Wit Style channel.